I'm having a problem with my gyro. It will work great while it's warming up and then it just dies. So I'm thinking, I'm not sure what I think. I'm going, well, I got to clean the carburetor. Haven't done it in 7 or 8 years. I'm going to take off this shroud over the cylinder. And this has a really cool way of cooling the cylinder. It's where the air comes in right here. There's a fan in there, just like on the side of every motor. And then it blows it over into here. And then it blows some heat up into this cone, which blows the heat on the carburetor. And I can already see a couple little leaks. So I'm thinking, well, why is this doing this? Why is this problem happening? And I'm going, oh, I know. Maybe it's 1985. It's 33 years old. So anyway, I got to remember I have 2 washers on that side. Those are for the tires that are a little bit larger than stock. And the way this gyro works is this is a driven wheel. You can tell because it treads down. This wheel over here freewheels. It's not dual drive. Okay, I'll keep turning it down.